Hello everyone, Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Let's start with today's weather headlines here. Mostly sunny skies return, showers return late this week, and temperatures cool this weekend. We are looking at today's edition for January 5th edition of Weather Watch. Let's go ahead and get started with your forecast in just a moment. Alrighty, hello everyone, Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's go and get started with the latest forecast for today. Starting off in Asheville, temperatures will be cooler in the lowest 60s with mostly sunny skies. Shifting towards Greenville, Spartanburg, high of about 60 degrees with mostly sunny skies continuing as well. High of about 59 with mostly sunny skies. We can see Tacoma sitting at 61 degrees with mostly sunny skies as well. High of 63 in Gatlinburg with sunny to mostly sunny skies. Looking at the hourly forecast here, so we're getting out the door, out to school, out to work, anything like that. Temperatures will be cooler. You'll definitely need that jacket out. Cloudy conditions around 7 a.m. Temperatures in the upper 30s, around 36 degrees. Warming into the upper 40s around 11 a.m. Mid to upper 50s 2 through 4 p.m. before cooling down in the upper 40s to lower 40s with increasing cloudiness towards 10 p.m. tonight. So 2 all the way through 8 p.m. we're likely going to see some clearing and sunny conditions. Looking at yesterday's almanac here for January 4th, we can see yesterday's high was 57. Yesterday's low was 27. Average high is 49. Average low is 29. Record high is 71 and record low is -1. Sunrise was at 7:40 a.m. and sunset was at 5:31 p.m. We have seen actually 0.01 inches of precipitation that has fallen so far this year, surprisingly. Just 0.01 inches of rainfall has fallen at the beginning of this month. Looking at the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook here, we can see many of the country is currently under above average temperatures here. We can see way above average temperatures are likely towards Montana, all the way to South Dakota. Here locally, we can see above average temperatures are possible towards our western North Carolina mountains, shifting to our Piedmont North Carolina counties. Even places up towards the northeast, we can see above average temperatures are expected there. All the way going to California up towards Washington State, also above average temperatures. But places from Texas all the way to Louisiana, parts of Georgia, all the way down to Florida is expected to see about average temperature forecast through the next 6 to 10 days. Looking at today's high temperatures here, 62 in Asheville, 61 in Greenville, Spartanburg, 64 in Columbia, 59 in Charlotte, 56 in Hickory, 52 in Knoxville, 63 in Gatlinburg, 62 in Andrews, 61 in Dakota, and 63 in Athens. Tonight's minimum temperatures here will reach the mid-30s, upper 40s throughout much of the forecast region. 35 in Asheville, 41 in Greenville, Spartanburg, 38 in Columbia, 36 in Camden. We can see Charlotte sitting at 39 degrees, 37 degrees in Hickory, 34 in Knoxville, 35 in Gatlinburg, 34 in Andrews, 42 in Dakota, and 42 in Athens. We're going to see a massive warm-up tomorrow. Check this out, upper 60s, even low 70s through much of the through much of the upstate South Carolina region there. 68 in Asheville, 65 in Greenville, Spartanburg, 66 in Anderson, 67 in Greenwood, 70 in Columbia, 66 in Charlotte, 65 in Hickory, Knoxville sitting at 65 degrees, 67 degrees in Gatlinburg, 63 in Andrews, 65 in Dakota, and 67 in Athens. Looking at tomorrow's minimum temperatures here, upper 30s, mid 40s through much of the region, 36 in Asheville, 44 in Greenville, Spartanburg, 44 in Columbia, 43 in Charlotte, 40 in Hickory, 45 in Knoxville, 42 in Gatlinburg, 40 in Andrews, 44 in Dakota, and 45 in Athens. Looking at Wednesday's high temperatures here, upper 60s, even mid 70s possible towards much of our South Carolina region. 66 in Asheville, 72 in Greenville, Spartanburg, 74 in Columbia, 71 in Charlotte, 69 in Hickory, 67 in Knoxville, 67 in Gatlinburg, 67 in Andrews, 72 in Dakota, 72 in Athens, 74 in Columbia, and Hickory sitting at 69 degrees. Lastly, taking a look at the updated Highland Weather 7-day forecast here. Sunny conditions continue for today. Highs in the mid-60s. Looking at the next 7 days, Tuesday all the way through Sunday, we see showers are likely through the next couple of days, so definitely want to watch out for that. Temperatures will stay in the mid to upper 60s, cooling down into the upper 50s for low highs on Saturday. cooling down into the mid 40s for lows on Sunday. So we're going to see a massive cool down into next week with lows in the lower 40s warming into the upper 40s, low 50s before cooling down into the low 30s Saturday night into Sunday. All right, everyone, I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Thank you so much for tuning in for January 5th update here of Weather Watch. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again on the Tuesday forecast coming up very soon.